doing this update, you might need to make sure that you have the latest upgraded firmware. Right now, when I record this, it's 1.4.
Testing 1 2 3.
And I made an awesome video about a week ago on how to update
Testing 1 2 3.
1.4. Maybe this is a new radio to you. You're going to click on menu. And under menu, you're going to click on the set button. Once you find that set button and click it, you're going to page down until you see this others button. When you click others, you're going to click on this information button, and then you're going to click on version. You'll see my CPU is set to 1.4. So as long as it's 1.4 or higher, it's going to have the FTA preset. So let's go ahead and exit out of here. And now we're back on the main screen. While we're on the main screen, we notice a couple things. First off, we'll show that we're in upper sideband mode with a bandwidth or fill level of 2. Our preamp is on, and our automatic gain control is set to medium. Before I touch any of that, though, I'm going to click on menu, and I'm going to click on the number 2 that you see down here. When I click on 2, I get a couple other options. One of them is preset. If I hit this preset button, you'll see that I'm currently using a normal mode. But I can actually click on FT8 and I can load preset for FT8. And then when I click exit out of here, you'll see it switched me to USB-D mode and a fill level of 2. Now my preamp is on and I'm actually going to turn that off, but that's probably going to be one of your preferences. And finally, my automatic gain control is set to seen in documentation in the past where automatic gain control should be set to fast for FT8. But right now we're going to leave it as is to see how this works out of the box with the FT8 settings used. But of course, we still need to set up this radio to be able to communicate with our computer. So let's do that right now. Click on menu and we go to set. We're going to page up because we were in others checking our information. And we're going to find connectors. Under connectors, let's go ahead and go through each of these settings that we may need to change. I'm going to leave the ACC USB output select to A off, and I'm going to leave the ACC USB AF output level to 50. In fact, I'm just going to scroll down here, and the first thing that
Testing